viewers, this is your friend in health, Dr. Sandeep Jassal, and today we are going to talk about a very good news that has come as far as coronavirus is concerned. That is about a very simple drug which has been used for ages now, since 1960s rather. The common corticosteroid dexamethasone, which has been found to be very useful in some clinical trials in UK, that dexamethasone has been very helpful in reducing the mortality, that is the death rate, in critically sick, critically ill Covid-19 patients. And this news was validated by WHO, World Health Organization, recently when this study was published, and it was conducted in various hospitals in UK, and it was found that nearly around 1/3 of the mortality rate could be reduced by using this simple corticosteroid drug, that is dexamethasone, in the people who were on ventilators, and 1/5 of the people could be saved very easily from using oxygen while they were on oxygen. So very good, encouraging results for a drug which was a simple drug. Well, if you talk about corticosteroids, or the steroids, so we call them, corticosteroids are the drugs which are used for basically reducing inflammation in the body. Now there are various disorders which predominantly have inflammation in their clinical characteristics. Now those are the problems like arthritis, those are the problems like some skin conditions like eczema, and then if you have some life-threatening situations like anaphylaxis, which means allergic disorders, or some other life-threatening situations like in some cancers, dexamethasone is used. But in many of the societies, in many of the countries and populations, the dexamethasone has been misused. And now arises one question, that whether the prior misuse of this dexamethasone would be able to save those lives in case they land up in those critical condition in the hospital where we need to use it at that time. Well, if you use your weapons for smaller enemies, then when the actual big enemy comes, the biggest possible enemy comes, how will you have those weapons left with you which have been used earlier for smaller enemies? So the logic is that needs to be seen. But what message I want to give through this video is that the misuse of such drugs should be stopped, should be curbed, and it is advisable that you should always seek professional help, professional advice before you start using any steroids on your own, or for certain small things which can be dealt with without such steroids. So that's the message behind this video. Till we meet again, I urge you to subscribe to our channel. If you are already subscribed, then please like and share so that this message can reach more and more people, and we can spread the awareness which is very much needed in the society. This is your friend in health, Dr. Sandeep Jassal from livelifemore.com, and till we meet again, stay blessed, stay informed, and live life more.